Oh my Lanta, I can't believe you put that in the title of the video. Oh man, we're gonna have so much fallout from putting that in the title of the video. Not clickbait. No sir. Straight facts. Trash or pass. Z-Man. Stealth Blade. Jackhammer. Let's freaking get into it. Roll that intro for me.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Oh my gosh! It's a whale! 9/11. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's.
What's up, guys? Another episode of Trash or Pass coming at you. Hot off the press. Not really. I mean, it's hot off the press for me because, as you can see, this guy is still brand new in the package. Look at that. Look at that. Brand new in package. Completely sealed. Has not been opened yet. Now, Alex, why is it still in the package if you're doing a Trash or Pass video? Well, fact of the matter is, I cast my last one off. It was one of those windy days, and you get a backlash, and you're like, oh, crap. I mean, what do I do? Split second decision. Do I pull the line out? Do I reel it up and then fix it on the next cast? Split second decision. And I chose to do the latter. I reeled it up, and that line, I'd even said earlier in the day, I'd said to John, I need to replace this line pretty soon. And I made that one last cast, and I just felt the... And I was like, my line is not moving at all. Oh, there's my jackhammer. Okay. Yep, just like that, Stealth Blade gone. But let's talk about this guy. Now, I kind of want to keep it in the package still. I kind of don't want to throw it, but I'm going to break it down for you guys. I want to talk a little bit about the Stealth Blade jackhammer and compare it to, say, another jackhammer, which means I'm going to have to pull it out of the package now that I say that. See, I go into these videos with no plans whatsoever. I'm just winging it. I'm winging it as I go. I'm having different ideas come to me as I'm talking to you guys. And for some reason, and I appreciate it, for some reason y'all like these videos, which I find absolutely fantastic. Now, this is the exact same Z-Man Stealth Blade jackhammer that I threw off. Not the exact same, but the color is the exact same as the one that I threw off and I got rid of on accident. This is the Green Pumpkin Shad. Now, if you guys know me, you know that I'm a huge fan of Bee Height Delight. Now, I didn't go with Bee Height Delight on this guy because I really like the fact that the Stealth Blade being completely clear, let's talk about that. The blade being completely clear, it has just got a much smaller profile, and I wanted to go a little more natural with it. I wanted to go a little more natural, so I went the Green Pumpkin Shed. All right? So, the Stealth Blade jackhammer, what you've got on here, typical jackhammer fashion. You've got the hand-tied skirt. You've got the dual bait keeper on there as well. So your dual wire bait keeper is on there. Now the hook, I found this interesting. They put the decoy hook on here. Now let's compare that to, say, this is another jackhammer, just so you guys know I'm not flubbing anything. There's a Bee Height Delight jackhammer for you right there. 3/8 ounce to 3/8 ounce. So, big differences here. Blade sizes. I'm going to get back to the hook. I just realized I was talking about the hook, but here I am talking about blade sizes. Look at the blade size difference. So the Stealth Blade is a much smaller blade. Much smaller blade, which made me kind of concerned when I first took this out of the package. And I was thinking, is this going to thump near as hard as a regular jackhammer? And I'm going to tell you, it doesn't. It does not thump near as hard as a regular jackhammer. However, before you go into those comments, hang on really quick. just because it doesn't thump as hard, this thing still hits like a freaking jackhammer. Alright? Take like your big industrial sized jackhammer and just shrink it down a little bit. I don't know anything about jackhammers, so I'm not going to like try and pretend like I know about jackhammers. But this thing still thumps harder than say like a Thunder Cricket. The Stealth Blade jackhammer puts off a lot of vibration. This thing hits like a jackhammer. It's not near the thump as the Metal Blade, but this thing still hits hard. I feel like I've said that enough. So, let's talk about something else. Let's get back to the hooks. On the Stealth Blade, you've got the decoy hook. On the regular jackhammer, I can't remember. I think it's a gammy. It's a gammy hook on there. But on the Stealth Blade, it is a little thinner wire, a little thinner gauge. Not like my brother-in-law, Gage. Gage, if you're watching, what's up, dude? Hope college is treating you well. I miss you. Next time you're in town, let me know when you're here. That's it. Let's get back to Treasure Pass. Little thinner gauge hook, okay? A little bit of a different shape to it. It could be because this jackhammer has been, this regular jackhammer has been beat up quite a bit. It's caught quite a few fish on it. But, little smaller hook. I really need to line the heads up here so you guys can actually get a good representation of why I'm saying it is a smaller hook. So I'm going to line these up head to head and show you guys the decoy hook versus the jackhammer gammy hook that's on there. I don't know who makes decoys, so if you guys know who makes decoy, let me know down in the comments down below. There we go. That is a fair representation of the different size of the hooks. Okay? Now what I found worked best for me with the Stealth Blade is that little 3.2 inch swim bait. I was using the 6th Sense Divine. Use whatever you want to use. But that 3.2 inch on this guy right here was a perfect match. Perfect match. I caught quite a few freaking fish on this thing. So, let's go ahead and show some of those fish. I'm going to show you the bigger ones. And I'm going to show you some of the, fun catches, I guess. Let's roll that. Look at that. I'll take that. I will take that.
Stealth Blade?
Yep. Alright, Stealth Blade. I just popped it right up out of the grass. Yeah, that's it right there. That's not really the technical first cast curse. How about this fish though? Oh, right on the freaking drop, dude. Oh, come on, man. I really thought you were bigger. Can you just get off? Can you just hop off? Yeah, he's just dead. I thought you were bigger. God, the coloration difference in these fish out here, like that dark and that iridescent green to the pale ones.
That one actually hooked on the inside of the mouth.
Like he was supposed to be. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
It feels like good fish. No, he's just angry. It feels better now that we're traveling forward. He's all right. Take him. The best one in a while. Oh, dang, dude. This hook. That's the meat.
Ryan, before we leave, give you 35 cents. And, You can edit some shit for me and then send me back my SIM card. There you go.
Yeah.
Right away.
Yeah.
Nice. Want an edit?
No. That is a good one. Oh, yeah.
That was perfect. You act like you've done that before.
I know. Woo! Some solid freaking fish. Solid fish. Tons of fun to catch them on this thing. Now, Steve, you know, I'm going to put this in there for Steve because I told him I would include it. When you've got the jackhammer, there is only one way to tie this thing on. Only one way. That snap goes one way. It does not go any other way. That's it right there. There's your snap. Tie it on just like that guy right there. Right up top. On the stealth blade, so you guys don't make the same stupid mistake I did, I'm going to show you really quick here. See your line tie there? It can very easily be mistaken to put on the wrong side. So I accidentally I tied it on, I tied it on upside down first time I had it. And I was like, this thing sucks. It's not thumping at all. And Steve was like, did you tie it on correctly? And I was like, I think I did. But let me check. And no, I didn't. I tied it on upside down. I was completely wrong. So don't make the same mistake I did. And I'm going to be real. I'm going to tell you guys where I messed up at. So I messed up with that. And as soon as I tied it on correctly, tie it on underneath. Okay? Tie it on underneath the blade. That's where you tie these guys on at. And that's when it started just kicking away like a freaking jackhammer does. So I think it's pretty apparent where I'm going with this. Stealth blade, pass. I mean, a serious A+, fantastic freaking chatterbait. This is going to be the chatterbait that you want to use in more clear water, more pressured water, a little smaller profile compared to your regular jackhammer, a little bit smaller. I like that green pumpkin shad. I love Bee Height Delight as well, but this guy looks just like a freaking swim jig in the water. That stealth blade really does disappear. It really does disappear. So that's kind of like your hybrid swim jig, chatterbait, meshed together. Vibration of a chatterbait, sleeker profile of a swim jig. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate every single one of you, and I don't know. Hope you guys are looking forward to the next trash or pass. The gong is coming up next. See you guys next time we're on the water.